Now you can create stars in Illustrator using this star tool only. So let's create a star. And by now, I think you have already got the idea how we can draw a shape. Click at a point and start dragging. And before that, you need to select that shape, of course. Yeah. So let's draw a star. Let's change its fill color to this orange. Okay. And using the selection tool, you can just move it here and there. Okay. And another thing is that I like to work with keyboard shortcuts, and if you hover over each tool you will see its keyboard shortcut. See, for selection tool the keyboard shortcut is V. Okay, so yeah. Okay, now let's create another star and let's reveal few tricks. So select the star tool and let's start dragging. Now while dragging, press the up arrow key to increase the number of, what we can say, rays of a star. Points also you can say. So again, let's create a star. This time let's press the down arrow key to decrease the number of points. Okay, now it is like this. Now let's create another star, and this time let's press the control key or the command key for Mac users and see what happens. I mean control and start dragging up and down. See what happens. The length is getting shortened if you drag up, and if you drag down, see, the length is increasing. See, now let's move up, 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 and see, you are reversing its direction. See. Yes, friend. So again, it's very simple. So how we can draw star? Again, just by simple dragging. I mean click and drag, click and drag. And using the control key, we can control the length of these star edges, you can say. Okay, and again we have the second method, that is just by clicking. Just by clicking, yes friend. So first of all, points 8, so we'll be having 8 points. Radius, well, let's check it out. Let's make it 40 for radius 1 and 40, another 40 for radius 2. Let's click on OK and see. What is this? Is it a circle? Well, let's zoom in. Now for zooming in, press Ctrl plus or Command plus. Well, see, it's not a circle. Still we are having 8 sides, but this is about the radius. Yes, friend. So again, let's select the star tool and let's again click. This time for the radius 2, let's keep the radius 1 as 40 point. That's fine. But let's reduce the radius 2. Let's make it say 5 point. Now see what happens. Hit OK and see what happened. What just happened? Again, just click. Increase the radius to say 20 point. Hit OK and see what has happened. So now you are getting right that what's radius 1, what's radius 2. So you can create different type of stars just by changing the radius 2, and also you can control the number of points. Now let's decrease the radius 1 to say 30. Radius 1 will control this length and radius 2 is this one. Okay, so first of all let's click on OK and see. Now if our assumption is kind of right, for the first radius, radius 1 is this one, the outer one, and radius 2 is the inner one. Okay, so let's reduce radius 2 to 10. You will see that these points, these inner points, will be somewhere around here. Let's see, let's create OK and see. Now again, let's click and let's now increase the radius 1. It will increase, oh my god, 540. Now it will increase the length of the star, I mean these. So radius 1, which is the outer one, it's 50 point, and radius 2, which is this one, it is 10 points. Let's click on OK and see. Okay, so now you are getting the concepts, right? I think you have got. If you have an issue understanding these concepts, please feel free to let me know. And another thing, just try yourself. Yes, friend. As soon as you will start practicing yourself, you will gain more confidence on each subject matter. Yes, friend. So, if you have already started practicing, thumbs up. Yes, friend, you have started learning and practicing. That's great. If you have not started practicing, it's never late, isn't it? So, just start practicing and gain more confidence. Yes, friend. If you practice more, you will see that you are gaining more confidence on that particular matter, no matter which subject it is. Okay, friends, so that's it. I think you have learned pretty good stuffs regarding these creating shapes and all. And we have seen that using the up arrow key and the down arrow key, we can control the number of sides of polygons, stars, and also using the control key. Using the control key, we can control the length of these stars. Okay, so that's it. And another thing is that our second method, which is this one, just by clicking, we have got a pretty good idea about this radius 1, radius 2, and number of points. So number of points are these. We can control these by pressing the up arrow key and the down arrow key, which we can do here simply, automatically, right? And radius 1 is the outer one and radius 2 is the inner one. Okay, so that's it, guys. Here I am concluding this lecture. If you have an issue understanding some concept, please feel free to let me know. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.